Searching for help with your computer needs can be difficult these days, but if you know what questions to ask, you'll be amazed at how easy it is to find the perfect specialist who will have you feeling confident. We caught up with a local computer expert to get some effective advice on finding the right professional for you.
Computer problems really happen infrequently. Far more frequently, I hear, I spend more every few months on toner than I paid for the entire printer. Can you fix that? The problem is most people find a great printer at a great price, and only a few weeks after getting it installed do they get sticker shock and finding out what it costs to feed the darn thing toner and ink. Fixes to that problem are actually pretty darn easy. So here are some really simple tips to slash your printing costs. Tip number 1, do you really need to print it? This might sound obvious, but after 34 years of selling printer supplies, I'm shocked at how many people print a report, spreadsheet, or document and then file it, rather than filing it on the cloud or local hard drive without printing it at all. When in doubt, don't print it out. Tip number 2, how many copies are really needed? Similar to tip number 1, we constantly hear from customers who print a letter or report, it gets sent to the intended recipient, and also then print a second or third copy, which then gets filed. Tip number 3, even a small picture is worth 10,000 words. We have thousands of business customers that craft great newsletters or flyers. Technology makes it so easy and fun to print giant images, they never stop to think that a large image will eat 4 to 25 times more toner or ink than an equally impressive smaller image. Tip number 4, find a reputable discount supplier with great reviews and a fantastic guarantee. This is where we really shine. Our customers have given us over 5,000 nearly perfect 4.9 out of 5-star reviews, and they've been saving 50 to 70% on their toner costs for almost 35 years. The best part is they know we have the only 6-word guarantee in the toner biz. No time limit, no fine print. And that means exactly what it says. Either they're thrilled with their purchase or a refund, or replacement is theirs for the asking, no matter when they bought it, no matter the reason. Really. We are toner and ink experts, and our mission is to slash our customers' toner costs by 50% or more. For anyone who wants to see that really is possible, without sacrificing 1 pixel of quality, they can go to our TonerRefillKits.com website or give us a call at 800-527-3712. In fact, we're so old school customer service oriented, we even answer our phones live from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday.
Pretty interesting, isn't it? With a focused approach, you'll find the right professional in no time. Are you interested in finding out more information? You can contact today's expert at the number on your screen. Thanks for stopping by.